Might as well throw the flywheel on here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to make sure I put the flywheel on and not advance the timing anymore because I have that cut keyway in there. And I think pop it right off of there. Pop this keyway out of here so I can lap that flywheel in. Throw a little valve grinding compound on here. So you have the billet flywheel and then the stock flywheel. I mean, that billet flywheel looks so nice, I don't even care if it runs. I'm gonna leave the side cover off and just look at it. Got that nice rare earth magnet on there. Lap this thing in. So I get it lapped in pretty nice. Clean this off, all my compound. So I got my ground keyway back on here that I ground for the stock flywheel.